Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share something we all want, how to actually improve spoken English. And the best part, we are not going to go through boring grammar rules. Instead, I will show you fun, simple, and practical methods that really work. Here's the truth. Most of us have studied English for 10 or even 12 years in school. We can write exams, we know the grammar rules, but when it comes to speaking, we get stuck. Why does this happen? Because we worry too much about grammar, we are scared of making mistakes, and we overthink every word before speaking. But remember this, spoken English is not about perfection, it's about communication, about expressing yourself clearly and confidently. The very first step to speaking better is listening. Think about babies. They don't start talking on day one. They spend months just listening and only then do they speak. You should do the same. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts and even songs. But don't just focus on the meaning. Pay attention to how people actually speak, the phrases they use, the rhythm, the tone. For example, instead of always saying, "How are you?" notice that people often say things like, "Hey, what's up?" or "How it's going?" These small observations make your English more natural. Speaking is like going to the gym. The more you practice, the stronger you get. Don't wait until you can make perfect long speeches. Start small. Say simple sentences like, "I am feeling hungry" or "Today was a good day." You can practice in front of a mirror or record your voice notes. What matters is consistency. Just 5 minutes every day is much more effective than practicing for an hour only once a week. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is focusing only on grammar formulas. For example, thinking past continuous tense equals was or were plus verb ing. Instead of memorizing formulas, learn useful phrases that you can actually use in real life. For example, "Can you please help me?" "I'd like to order," or "That sounds interesting." When you learn phrases, you don't have to calculate grammar in your head. Sentences just come out naturally. English is a language and languages are meant for conversations. So don't keep it to yourself. Find a friend who also wants to practice. Join online speaking groups or clubs. And here's something important, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes show you are learning. Even native speakers make grammar errors sometimes, but they keep speaking. That's what matters. Another powerful tip is to think in English. Most learners make the mistake of translating from their mother tongue. For example, if you think in Hindi, "मुझे भूख लगी है," then you translate and finally you speak, "I am hungry." This slows you down and makes you nervous. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start with very simple thoughts like "I am hungry" or "I need water." Slowly, you will get used to it and you wouldn't need to translate anymore. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Make it fun. Try the shadowing technique. Pick a scene from a movie, listen to a line, and repeat it exactly like the actor. This improves your fluency and pronunciation. Or read aloud from a book, blog, or even your WhatsApp messages. Anything that helps you speak the words out loud. You can also play word games like Scrabble or crossword puzzles, and one of the most powerful methods is to keep a small journal in English. Just write 3-4 sentences about your day every day. These fun little habits make a huge difference. So let's quickly summarize. Improving spoken English is not about being perfect, it's about communication. Listen a lot, speak a little every day, learn ready made phrases, Train yourself to think in English and make the whole process fun. If you follow these steps consistently, you will definitely see your fluency improve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found these tips useful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and practical English learning tips. And before you go, tell me in the comments which of these tips are you going to try first. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video.